Hi students, welcome back. This is Plus 2 Computer Science Chapter 9 Part 4 video. Before getting into the video, please do subscribe. So now you are going to learn about dictionary. In Python, dictionary is a mixed collection of elements. In the previous class, you have learned other collection data type, that is list and tuple. So list and tuples, they are used to store elements. And even dictionary is also used to store elements, but it stores a key along with its element. So let's see how to create a dictionary, access, adding, modifying and deleting elements from a dictionary. So use Python online editor or Python ideally to execute all the programs. Okay, now let us create a dictionary. First of all, we have to give the name for dictionary. Then after equal to, inside curly brackets, we have to specify the key element. For that, inside double quotes, you can give any name for key. And after this, we have to separate key and element by colon. So x is equal to, give any value, that value also should be inside single quotes. So it is like x equal to 2. So x inside the single quotes, after colon you have to enter the elements. So here in dictionary, all the type of elements and keys should be within single quotes. So we'll give one more and separate the key and element by colon. Okay, let's enclose this. Now just print this dictionary to view the result. So let's execute the program. So look at this. So this is the way to create a dictionary, and let us add a new value. So for adding new value, first of all we have to specify the dictionary name. Inside square bracket and within single quotes you have to specify the key value, and then after equal to, you have to say what element should be stored inside this particular key. You can give any value there. So let's print to check the output. Yes, a new value is added. So now let us see how to delete an element from the dictionary. Simply type the keyword del and specify the dictionary name. Inside square bracket, you have to mention the key element. Just mention the key. Sorry. Now let us print the dictionary to check whether this key X is removed or not. Yes, we do have two elements, that is 3 and 45. X is removed from the dictionary. So this is the way to delete one particular element. And now let us see how to delete all the elements from the dictionary. We have to simply write the dictionary name, including a dot operator, give clear function. So clear function is used to clear all the elements from the dictionary. Now let us print the dictionary to check whether it is cleared or not. Yes, it is empty now. So here only the elements are deleted, not the dictionary. So to delete the entire dictionary, we have to use del function and then just dictionary name. So that's it. The entire dictionary will be deleted. So let's print to check whether it throws error message or not. Yes, it is throwing error message because dictionary A is not at all available now. So it throws error message. So that's it. This is the overall concept about dictionary. In the previous class, you have learned list, tuple, set, and now about dictionary. So all these are the four different collections of data type. So we'll see the difference between list and dictionary. List is an ordered set of elements, but dictionary is a data structure that is used to match one element with another. So only in dictionary we do have key and its value. So it is just like matching one element with another element. So in list and tuple, if you want to display or if you want to access any one particular element, we have to use the index value of that particular element. But in dictionary, we have to specify the key value. So these two are the main difference between list and dictionary. So chapter 9 is over. In this lesson you have 10 programs, that is hands-on experience. You have to try to develop the programming skills. So try all the programs and execute using online editor or Python ideally. So that's all for today. Thank you.